What a wonderful composition and beautifully sung by Lata ji. Stays one of my favorite, freedom song. And I love that song, and it's really, really special. And it's very specially shot. If you see the way the horses are moving, and I think those images are great. Gives me goosebumps actually. And beautiful choice of words. Really fantastic. Most of the poetry is not direct. You can address motherland, you can address the nature, you can address it through. I think it's a very beautiful way of addressing, and I think poet has done great justice to it, and a lot of composers have done really great justice to take this, render this song in various films also, and of late A.R. Rahman also has done that. So it's a evergreen sort of poetry, evergreen poetry, and evergreen song. Very nice, beautiful. There is innocence in this. There is beauty, innocence, and at the same time great pride. Very well sung, very well rendered. I remember I used to listen to this song quite a lot, especially while I was writing songs for Rang De Basanti that time, the film which we did some time back. At the same time, when you see a Bhagat Singh, and you see that someone who suspends everything and says, I will hang myself for my nation. Where does that feeling come from, and how do you fit that feeling in to a survival logic? That the passion for the nation, the concept in your head of the nation and love for it, and being able to give everything up for it. There is no survival, you're dying. You're completely, it's completely defiance in that sense, in the survival logic, that you don't want to survive, you want to die so that some truth can come out. Now you have to salute these people. Cinema adds a lot of images to a song, but I am essentially I believe in words and power of words and poetry. For me, what the poet has written is very, very evocative. As a songwriter, when I look back, and I feel really a great sense of pride that the fact that I'm still writing, I'm writing for films in this country, because our films and our music for films and the songs have been out of the world in terms of expressing what they expressed, which was contextual, which was required. I think this is one of those songs. हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के, मेरे देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के. Again, it is talking about the new generation. It's talking about kids. It's a beautiful song. It's talking about all the Gandhis, the Nehrus, who did so much for the country, and they are basically saying that it was a tough journey. It was not. It is a song which tells you that how much we should value the freedom we have today. I don't think many of us realize that how much has gone into it. Especially the coming generation doesn't. Even our generation was a little removed from it, but the new generation doesn't even have an iota of an idea how much has gone behind the freedom which we enjoy today. This is where the poet tries to draw your attention towards the value of the freedom. They make you eulogize, write a eulogy about your own country and things which are actually nature. And you sort of start feeling a personal relationship with them, and you describe that beautifully in your poetry, in your sort of in your songs. So I think this is one of those songs which probably tells you how things which are universal become personal, and how a feeling of nationalism or a feeling of pride gets attached to certain very universal things. That song talks about the fact, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों is a beautiful line. It's actually handing over the baton. It's saying that I'm going, but again, the fact that I'm not bothered about myself. These are people who are beyond selfish interests. These are the people who are interested in a thought called nation. And for that thought, for that idea, they give up their life. And while they are going, while they rukhsat ho rahe hain, jab wo ja rahe hain, then they are handing over the baton to the younger generation, a new fresher people. Because the idea has to be alive. The flame of the idea. Then that's the reason they're saying, ab tumhare hawale watan sathiyo. Now we hand it over to you. Please take care of it. We have done our bit. Now it's your turn. The kind of energy this song has, and the feeling of complete devotion towards nation. बहुत खूबसूरत. Whenever you hear this, actually it gives me goosebumps. Beautifully composed. Some of these composers, I wish I had time to just name all of them and just talk about them endlessly. These poets and these composers have gotten together and expressed their love for their nation so beautifully. When everybody was celebrating, and look at the use of language, it's so beautiful. Kavi Pradeep wrote this, and this is such economy of words and juxtaposition of two sort of very layered expressions.